We call it the bubble for a reason, and it's not because it's a safe little place, because you will get called on your shit and it is a no excuse zone. But it's because it's like-minded people who are entrepreneurial and want to build their businesses.
You know, the joke is we call it the bubble, right? And it's always kind of a safe place to be able to go and talk to other like-minded law firm owners and bounce ideas off of one another, ask for help. It's a place where we can be vulnerable with each other and talk about the highs and lows of running our firm.
So the community with HTM, it's a small bubble, but it is quality.
I was out for a little bit, but I really missed the community. I really missed that energy and the connection with other people that were on a like path, getting the same material.
There's a certain energy in the room when you come to the HTM gatherings. Everybody really has an excitement for growing their practice, for making a better life, for helping people.
Which is so fun to come and see everybody and ask how their quarter went and what new things are they implementing in their firm.
We can be happy for them with their successes, and they're happy for us with our successes.
Real quick, how many people had their best year ever? This is a very motivational time.
All the LQMs have been so jam-packed full of valuable information.
The content is very thoughtful, it's very inspiring, it's very motivating. It systematically takes you through all of these different pieces of what it is to manage a business.
It's everything from what kind of office should you be in to how do you market your firm.
There's always something new.
Things we can implement, just ways to make life better.
I promise that if you play all in, you will know more about your business than you ever imagined you could possibly know.
This is not a passive thing where you're just going to come and they're going to give you the magic formula.
You can't get this in a book. You can't get it on YouTube. You really have to go through this very detail-rich content.
You're going to work harder than you ever have before, but you're going to work harder on the things that are going to drive you forward.
You will lose less sleep over your decisions. Your business will create more value for more people in the world. Your business will be more profitable.
I was really floored when I went to my first LQM because the energy, there's a lot of people there and there's just so many people talking. And
let me ask you this, when your first LQM, did you see like the lawyers like running to the front of the room?
Yeah.
Did it freak you out? Did you be like, what is going on? Why are they so excited? And now you probably get it.
Yeah, it did. When I first got there, because I remember talking to I already knew some people who were in the program, so I had some people to talk to when I was there. But I got to meet other people too. And people kept telling me, oh, it's crazy. People are going to be lining up at 6 in the morning to try to get a front row seat. And I said, you sure about that? Well, what is so special about this program? And sure enough, when I would go the next morning, people are waiting. And that floored me. I said, what is this? What's going on here? And then when I went to the actual conference and I listened, I got it. Okay, I understand, because so many people are so excited. They're so excited because what they're learning, they're going to be able to implement when they go back home and when they run their firm. So I thought the information was really valuable, and it did click for me about why people were so enthusiastic about it.
Honestly, an LQM is unlike anything you've ever experienced in a group of other attorneys. It is really the most, well, it's the only place you're going to be where you'll see other people celebrate your success and be genuinely happy for you. It just doesn't happen anywhere else. You get mindset reset. You get, as Arjun says, you go an inch wide and a mile deep in some particular topic, and you never know what the topic is going to be. Every time I've had to miss an LQM, I always regret it because it's always something that I need. And I think that's kind of one of the reasons why they don't try to don't tell you what the LQM is about ahead of time, because then if you might think it's something that, yeah, you don't need to deal with that. But even if it's something that I don't think I need, it's something I need. It's just, there's nothing else like an LQM. I don't know how to say it other than that.
No matter what kind of awkward, odd, unexpected thing arises in your life or your business that would threaten your peace of mind and your joy and your perspective, you can reach out and you have a team that is somehow going to answer that and give you not just some great hug, which frankly is valuable, but beyond the hug, more valuable than the hug, are tools and steps to actually move forward. And if you lack the skill to use the tool, they're going to teach you that too.
The ability to just change your circle like that, I think is really, really impactful. All you have to do is, make the decision. And then you surround yourself with people that think different and challenge the way that you think and allow you to dream and set goals.
Everybody's so unique and so different.
You develop a bond because you get so raw and so real. And everyone is so supportive of what you're trying to accomplish and what you've been through and what you're going through, because they've either been there or they're going through it with you. And it's important to have people to support you and to be accountable.
The program isn't just about improving your bottom line. It is, but that bottom line improvement comes from within much more than policies and procedures. And How to Manage has forced me to take a deep, dark look inside, figure out who I am, what's been causing my issues, and my blocks, and has given me the tools to push through them and succeed like I'd never even dreamed.